Hey guys, Lex here from Jetset Plumbing again. Today I want to talk about 3 signs of a blocked drain. The first sign, you need to use your ears. You need to listen for those gurgling sounds out of your basin and your kitchen sinks. Second is the more obvious sign, known as an overflow. I'm pretty sure we've all seen an overflow, they're not too hard to miss. And the third one gets a bit tricky. It can usually affect a downstairs toilet, and it can be a problem further down the line that is not so obvious. So it will play with the water level in your toilet. You may notice that the trap, the water in the bottom of the toilet, which forms a trap, can actually get sucked out. That means that there's a partial blockage down further, and it's gasping for air, and then it unblocks and it can suck the traps out of your fixtures. If that's an issue, guys, I recommend you get us out ASAP and help us rectify it and give you a solution. Thanks, guys.